Malawi today.
Friday, this coming Friday, the 14th, the country will receive 92 trucks of fuel, translating to we are expecting 92 trucks to jet in between today and Friday. And you are free to, and this is translating to 3,250,000,000 liters of fuel. Yes, that's between today and Friday. But we continue to get. Deputy.
Honour members, order. Order to my left and order to my right. The Honourable Minister is delivering a very important piece of statement that Malawians are listening out there. So let's accord her the dignity she deserves. Thank you very much.
Deputy Speaker, sir, with the country's reserves of 92 million litres, having been depleted last year in July 2024, I will repeat this. Our strategic reserves of fuel were depleted in July 2024, that's last year. And this government has inherited a from the open tender system of procurement to a government-to-government procurement model. Honourable Deputy Speaker, sir, despite these, government is working tirelessly to normalize the situation. We know we have inherited this mess. But we have inherited this mess. And we're not going to run away from responsibility. We are here to solve this. And we'll solve. Our priority is to ensure that the imports consistently meet national demand by, one, increasing the allocation of foreign exchange for fuel imports. Two, improving accessibility of Malawi to seaports through constant engagement with neighboring countries. Three, ensuring that there is cost-reflective tariff. Four, reverting to the open tender system to enhance efficiency, transparency, and value for money. Five, diversifying importers to promote competition and reduce dependency on a few suppliers. Honourable Deputy Speaker, sir, my ministry is taking the following measures to ensure stable fuel availability, fair price